Manifestation is a powerful tool that has been used for centuries by individuals to create their reality and achieve their goals. In essence, manifestation is the process of bringing something from the world of thought or imagination into the physical world through intentional focus and effort. Many people believe that manifestation is nothing more than wishful thinking. But the truth is that it is a powerful tool that has been used by successful individuals in all areas of life, including business, sports, and the arts. In this video, we will discuss the power of manifestation, its benefits, and how you can harness its power to achieve your own goals and dreams. What is manifestation? At its core, manifestation is the process of creating your reality through focused thought and intention. When you set your mind to something and you believe that it is possible, you are already on the path to manifesting it into reality. This process requires a few key elements, including 1. Clarity. You must be clear about what you want to manifest. This means being specific about your goals and desires, and understanding why they are important to you. 2. Belief. You must believe that what you want to manifest is possible. 3. Focus. You must stay focused on your goal, even when things get tough. This means avoiding distractions and keeping your attention on what you want to manifest. 4. Action. You must take action towards your goal. This means doing the work that is necessary to bring your desires into reality. The benefits of manifestation. There are many benefits to using manifestation to achieve your goals and dreams. Here are just a few. 1. Increased clarity. When you focus on what you want to manifest, you become clearer about your goals and desires. This clarity can help you make better decisions and take more focused action towards your goals. 2. Improved confidence. When you see the results of your manifestation efforts, you will gain confidence in your ability to create your reality. This confidence can spill over into other areas of your life, helping you to achieve even greater success. 3. Greater resilience. Manifestation requires a strong belief in your ability to create your reality. This belief can help you stay resilient in the face of obstacles and challenges, and keep you moving forward towards your goals. 4. Increased creativity. Manifestation requires creative thinking and problem-solving skills. As you work to bring your desires into reality, you may find that you become more creative in other areas of your life as well. How to harness the power of manifestation. If you want to harness the power of manifestation to achieve your goals and dreams, there are a few steps you can take. 1. Define your goals. The first step in manifesting your desires is to define what you want. Be as specific as possible, and try to understand why these goals are important to you. 2. Believe in yourself. Believing that you can achieve your goals is a critical step in the manifestation process. Release any doubts or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back, and focus on the positive possibilities. 3. Focus on your desires. Stay focused on what you want to manifest, even when things get tough. Avoid distractions, and keep your attention on your goals and desires. 4. Take action. Taking action is a critical step in the manifestation process. Do the work that is necessary to bring your desires into reality, and stay committed to your goals. 5. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for manifestation. When you express gratitude for the things you already have in your life, you open the door to more abundance and success. There are countless examples of people who have used the power of manifestation to achieve their goals and create the life they desire. Here are just a few examples. 1. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey is a well-known example of someone who has used the power of manifestation to achieve great success. She has spoken publicly about how she used visualization and positive thinking to overcome her challenging childhood and build a successful career in media. 2. Jim Carrey. Jim Carrey is another example of a celebrity who used manifestation to achieve success. He has spoken publicly about how he wrote himself a check for $10 million early in his career and carried it with him as a reminder of his goal. Eventually, he landed a role that paid him exactly that amount. And he believes that his focus and determination played a key role in making it happen. 3. Walt Disney. Walt Disney is another well-known example of someone who used manifestation to achieve his dreams. Before he built his theme park empire, Disney spent years visualizing and planning what would become Disneyland. He was so committed to his vision that he even mortgaged his own home to finance the project. 4. Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan is a legendary basketball player who has spoken about how he used visualization to improve his performance on the court. He would spend time before games visualizing himself making successful shots and plays, and he credits this technique with helping him achieve his incredible success. 5. J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling is the author of the wildly popular Harry Potter series, and she has spoken publicly about how she used manifestation to achieve her success. Before she was a published author, Rowling would visualize herself holding a published book with her name on it. She also wrote down her goals and put them in a jar, which she would look at whenever she needed motivation. These are just a few examples of people who have used the power of manifestation to achieve their goals and create the life they desire. The truth is that manifestation is a tool that is available to anyone who is willing to put in the effort and believe in themselves. Whether you want to achieve success in your career, improve your relationships, or achieve any other goal, manifestation can help you get there.